Bethany here, and Nala. Nala, say hi. What's up? So, me and Nala are here today to show you how to make a super cute, stylish, excuse me. We are here to make a super stylish rope leash. And so if you'd like to follow along and make one for your own little fur baby, then stay tuned. Oh, look at those cheeks. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Okay, let's go. Here are the supplies you'll need. Rope, pliers, hot glue gun, rope clamps, metal lobster clasp, and yarn. This is for covering your rope clamps, and these other ones are for making pom-poms. So I have about 6 feet of rope here, but it will be about 5 feet long after I make the handle and fold for the clasp. So start with feeding the lobster clasp through the rope, wiggling it through. Sometimes it takes some time. And then we will put a rope clamp, folding the two pieces together, wrapping the clamp around. Then we will use our pliers and fold down each of the parts of the clamp. Now you'll do the same thing to the opposite side, making the handle. Now that we have our clamps on, we will be hot gluing one side of it and wrapping our yarn around it. I went around it a couple times, making sure that everything was completely covered. So now it's time to make our pom-poms. So you're going to take yarn and wrap it around 3 fingers and just go and go and go and go for a while until it gets pretty thick. Probably like 50 times or so. I didn't count. I just kept on going until it was a thick bunch. Then you will slide it off of your fingers and tie a knot in the center of the bunch. And I do a double knot, really squeezing it down as tight as you can. Now you will take some scissors and cut through all of the loops all the way around the pom-pom. Now that you have a nice fluffy pom-pom, here comes the trim time. So you just trim all the way around until all of the little pieces are even, and it will make your fluffy pom-pom. Now choose another color and make one more. Now it's time to attach our pom-poms to the leash. So just wrap the strings around and securely fasten them. Thank you guys for following along, and hopefully you DIY your own dog leash. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.